So it's not all sunshine and rainbows.
I bought a kayak. I can see the mooring.
We're not even halfway.
They're gone. Let's go. Woohoo, baby. That is some great parking there all by yourself. You nailed it.
So it's not all sunshine and rainbows, I see. A little reminiscent of Queensland, to be honest. Still, not exactly the welcome that we got in Osprey Bay last week, but we're sure Mesa will turn on the good weather in a few days.
Yeah, this is very reminiscent of our shakedown video. I have not missed this at all. Pack up, set up in the wet. Nobody likes it.
No one's favourite.
Mud, muddy, muddy, muddy. Absolutely soaked. At least it's warm.
First morning at Mesa. Woohoo! I'm about to have the first glimpse of Mesa Campground waters. How incredible is this? Mesa Campground is a great base to explore the amazing array of snorkelling spots in the area. First time ever in Turquoise Bay. Can't wait.
The wind has died right down. It's low tide. Looks glorious. Time to do some snorkeling.
Look at that water. Yeah.
It's turquoise.
So we've just been over to the visitors centre, the one that's quite close to Mesa. It was like 3 to 4 minute drive from Mesa, because we want to have a look at Lakeside, and the area for snorkelling looks amazing. Of course, everything here looks amazing, but there is a place, a thing called Bommies, which is apparently like some sort of coral formation that's just teeming with sea life. There's 3 or 4 of them, I think. So we're going to go over there now but it's lunchtime and I have to feed us before we go anywhere because we're starving. Alrighty, we're fed, we're watered. Time to get geared up.
Let's go check out those bommies. Bommies.
Don't say bomb on a plane.
Bomb.
Essentials. This, I cannot believe we didn't discover this earlier, for keeping the fog off the goggles. We're trying out our new sun butter. Very excited. I think I'm going to need a mirror for this.
Alright, so we're at Lakeside. Apparently it's about a 500-meter walk along the beach to where the bommies are. I love that word, bommies.
That's his new favourite word.
Yes. So just walking over there. I can see some yellow buoys, I think. That's probably our destination. I think they should have called it Turquoise Bay. Oh wait, there is already one.
I absolutely adore this bold wetsuit. It's so warm. Alrighty, let's get out there. Oh, poppers. Good morning, everyone. Today is moving day. We're moving from the beautiful Mesa Campground. We've had a wonderful stay here, and we're moving to the beautiful Mesa Campground, and we're hoping to have a wonderful stay here again. So we're moving about 50 metres that way, and it is going to take us all day. We have to go via Exmouth because we're out of water, we're out of food. I really need to do some laundry. We also figured the camper really could do with some love. Absolute madness in the Exmouth IGA today.
Stocked up. How much can two people eat in 1 week, huh?
A hell of a lot, apparently.
We've got one more stop to make. So here's the story. A couple of episodes you might have seen us. We borrowed a kayak from a lovely couple in Lucky Bay and had a little paddle and absolutely loved it. We are up here in Cape Range and realized that it would be really, really great if we had a kayak because we could then paddle out to the reef and do some snorkeling and all those wonderful things that, of course, we didn't think about when we were near a big town. So we tried ordering a kayak into Exmouth, but really tricky, bulky item. Nobody would post it without an address. Long story short, I saw one pop up on a Facebook marketplace. So cheap as chips, inflatable. We can only have inflatable because that's all we can fit in the car. And yeah, so I bought a kayak.
How does it look?
We have a kayak.
Fantastic.
Got an idea.
Let me have a look. Hang on.
I don't think it's
it's
anything.
just the bag. So yeah, I don't think holes in the bag or anything to worry about.
No, it's all right. Nothing fancy, but as a first ever kayak, I think that'll be nice.
Yay!
Made a space for it. we're back at Mesa.
What a day. What a really big fun day we've had. How good is this site? Woohoo! Just when you thought Mesa couldn't get any better, it goes and does this. Ah, the good old produce bag, keeping all of our veg fresh. All right, it's time. It's kayak time. Let's do it.
Well, let's see if we've got all the parts and that it doesn't have any holes.
I think the first mission is to see if we can get it out of the bag.
Let's see what we've got. It's like a show bag. Goodies. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah. Floaties.
A child's one.
Oh,
It'll fit you. I hope there's a manual. I've got no idea what this is. Seats. Oh, fin. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Comes with a free bungee. I love it. Oh, there's a pump. That's always handy. No manual, so hopefully it's self-explanatory.
Well, he was right. It does fit, sort of.
Found the manual, so nothing could go wrong, right?
How much does this remind me of childhood Lilos?
I love the blower trick.
Thanks, Brad.
Excited?
I'm so excited. Our very own kayak.
Let's see if this vessel is seaworthy.
Voyage. If I end up in the water, it's going to be very funny. You must laugh. I'm super excited. Let's go.
You paddle and I'll watch. I'll film.
Will you please start paddling? It's an onshore wind.
That looks so good.
Who needs a gym?
You look like a professional.
Oh, that is love, that is. Hey, why don't you turn around? Oh. That was awesome. It's so beautiful to be on the water. I love it. Are you right there, King? Get out. Well, that was a great hour on the water. Beautiful out there at this time of the afternoon. We couldn't stay very long, or well, we couldn't actually go very far because we don't have a life jacket or a, what are they?
PFDs.
PFD, personal flotation device. But we did have a lot of fun.
Yeah. So far so good. $150 on the marketplace. Love it.
Well, here we are at Osprey Bay Campground. It is fantastic. We are in Site 31. Can you see how close to the water we are behind me there? Things we love about this campground, it is super close to the reef. So the snorkelling every day has been amazing. Every time we've gotten in, we've seen either turtles, stingrays, or both. There's been so many fish. It's only like $15 per person per night, so $30 a night, which we think is amazing value. It's got 2 mooring points that way over for the kayak trail. So we're hoping to take our old, new to us kayak out there this afternoon. It's the closest one is like a kilometre one way. So yeah, we'll be testing our kayak skills out, see if we can make it back again safely. The campground itself is separated into two sections, generator and non-generator. I think there's 46 sites in total. It's got composting toilets dotted throughout. Look, site 31 where we are, it's actually in the generator section, but I have not heard a sound. And the sites are just so far apart that it feels so private. It's only an hour from Exmouth, so restocking is dead simple. And it's like 10 minutes from Oyster Stacks. And if anything, dare I say it, the snorkelling has been at least as good, if not better, over at Oyster Stacks. So the whole experience so far, amazing. Cannot recommend this place highly enough.
For the mooring, bowline, 1 of 2 knots I know. Good to go.
Alrighty, so we're on our first proper kayak adventure. We're going to a mooring about 1 kilometre offshore. So we felt like we really did need to invest in some life jackets because, oh, you know, I just felt a little bit safer. I'm pretty sure it's a legal requirement as well, and we're both rule followers. They're going to look very fetching. I've tried it on, but I haven't actually put it on for an adventure yet. So let's see. I think it's a much better fit than the kids' one that came with the kayak that I tried on a little while ago. I'm feeling safer already. Let's get in the water.
Woohoo! Let's rock.
We're looking very colourful.
High vis is the new black.
Oh, the water feels beautiful.
Ooh.
Oh, I can't wait to get out there.
Oh, okay, it is warmer than before.
How beautiful is this? This is magic.
I can see the mooring. I can see the moorings just over there.
We're not even halfway.
No. Woohoo! We made it!
That was so much fun.
No, it does look like a fair way away. Look at this water, so clear.
The water is so warm, I cannot resist getting in, even though I am a little bit tired, and we've still got to get back. But I've never gotten in and out of a kayak in the water before, possibly something I should have thought of before I was 1 kilometre from shore. But even before I get my snorkel on, I feel like I need to just get in the water and see if I can get back out of the water without capsizing. Are we confident I'm going to be able to get back in again?
Yeah.
Really?
You'll just do the mermaid, okay?
I thought I did the dugong. Oh, at least the water is amazing. Like coming in snorkeling from a boat, right? You just kick and pop up. How hard can it be?
Right. We made it! Bring us home. Oh, very graceful.
Tired legs. As Sergei didn't get a chance to get in the water from the kayak, we decided to have a quick snorkel before dinner. What an absolutely incredible day. Love cooking with a view. Love the R4 kitchen. I am very tired, but the golden hour, it's so beautiful and still so good. Cashew chicken.
Ooh, my favourite.
You've got
One
so
of
many
my-
favourites. Looking good. Another gorgeous morning in Osprey Bay.
Another moving day. Mini moving day. That's the thing, it's such a popular campground. We've only managed to get little bits, dribs and drabs of bookings a few days at a time. We're just moving just over there, about 100 meters away. Previous campers are still there, we can see their van, so we've just been every now and then checking out, okay, are they moving yet? Nah, they're still there. I think they're having a sleep in. We just do a quick pack up and there's a lot of stuff. Oh, wow. All the things. I reckon I'm not going to deflate it. I'm just going to carry it. How hard can it be?
Right, okay, well I'll be filming you carrying that.
They're gone. Let's go.
Did you just get wet?
I'm feeling those 2 kilometers of kayaking yesterday.
And now you've just had a dose of water.
Yeah, refreshing.
And it just gets better and better.
I think I'll be warm today.
Finally got the new Weddy. So yeah, we're off to Yardi Creek Walk this morning. I really want to see the black-footed wallabies. I think they're called, I've seen them referred to as black-footed wallabies and black-flanked wallabies. So I think those two terms are interchangeable. It's not super early, but I'm still hoping that we'll see some. We were talking to one of the other campers the other day, and they said they were there at midday and they saw them right in the middle of the day. So yay, wish us luck. Oh, got our boots ready?
Get the boots on. These boots are made for walking.
Let's go.
Class 4 difficult.
It won't be difficult for us.
That's the creek crossing, so it's tidal. At the moment it's actually fully open, so there's no water and hasn't been for a while. But at certain times the creek basically connects with the ocean, and then it becomes really dangerous. On the limestone cliffs, you can see all the layers.
How incredibly adorable is this thing? I don't know whether it'll come out any good because I'm so far away from it. I don't want to scare it.
Going straight down into the gorge.
Now, you remember the moment where you were filming and whacked your head at Karangini?
No,
Can you...
we haven't been to Karangini yet.
Oh, you know what I mean. Kalbarri National Park. So can you not slip off this precarious hill?
I promise.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful here. Super happy I've seen some rock wallabies. Absolutely, they're just the cutest things. Really just want to hug them, of course. You can't go near wildlife. I don't even know if I got close enough for footage, but they're beautiful. Woo.
Going back down again.
Please, watch where you're going.
That's why it's not like I'm about to hit my head or anything.
It's too soon.
Oh, there's nothing above it, so what could go wrong? Yeah, so that was actually much shorter than I thought, that walk. And I almost felt a bit like, oh, is that it? I mean, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, the gorge. But definitely the legs could use a bit more exercise today. Maybe we'll do something in the afternoon. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, and it's only this bit is really hard. The rest of it's pretty cruisy.
it's goodbye Osprey Bay. Well, hopefully more of a see you later than a goodbye. I've had an amazing time here, but it's time for the next adventure. So we're off to Ballara Station. We're going to swap out our snorkels and wetsuits for burgers and cowboy hats. Can't wait.